This is OKPRO. It's a little street lamp. It's a 2-pack. You get a remote control, nicely packed, and you can put these anywhere you like. Get a nice close-up shot, what it looks like, and we'll get going on an install. We have 2 sets on the table. We get 1 instruction guide. We have about 124 lights. We have a arm and we have the bracket to hook everything up with all the hardware anchors, nuts and bolts, and a remote control that takes a 2025 battery that can remove the protective film. In order to test the unit, you face the solar panels to the table. You can turn it on. There are 3 modes. There's a brightness to off, there is a dim to brightness, and a dusk to dawn that stays bright all day. Over here you have the sensor, as you can see, a nice close-up look, and the arms will go on to this particular area, and it will adjust left and right and up and down. Let's go install one of these, maybe give one to a neighbor, and hook these things up. You just need the bracket. That's the first thing you need to do. You're going to find a spot where you want to hang it, and you're going to do your best to put in the parts that they give you. Don't over tighten, because you may break something if you're on the curvature. A nice flat spot, you have a good secured mount. This unit, it's not going to go this way, it's going to go this particular way. You want to take the short bolt and nut. And what you want to do is you want to carefully do it on the floor first. Place in the bolt, place in the nuts, a 9-on nut, and take a screwdriver and tighten that down, just like this. You want an angle, keep it loose so you can adjust it. Now we're going to take the next part, bring it on top, and complete it. Remember, there may be some plastic films on these things, so you want to peel them off. And now we're going to just go up there and screwdriver it on an angle. Turn on, and it will come on when, always test out on the floor. We have it on, and we have to wait for the evening hours to work. So all we're going to do is come back in a couple of days when it's fully charged and allow the sun to gather its full energy into the unit. We have the little mini security light. We'll wait for it to light up when as the light lights up when traffic goes by, it takes a number of seconds to shut off. Give you an idea what it looks like over here in a different area where mode 1 lights up and then shuts off altogether. Something that you want to say, hey, I'll scare you away. So we'll give it a chance to shut off. And we'll put it on mode number 2. This is mode number 2 at 50%. It turns on it bright when it gives you some, motion. And then if you don't want it with brightness to dim, then you'll leave it on this all night long. So that would lighten up the area for your needs, wherever you want to put a solar street mini light. I hope you enjoy your product if it's right for you.